let's talk about comparison operators in Java. As the name suggests, these operators are used to compare two values. When we compare values using these operators, the result is always Boolean, either true or false. If condition is true, Java returns true, or if it is false, it returns false. You can see we have an operator like equal to, not equal to, then greater than, less than equal to, and greater than equal to. If the value of comparison between the two values using these operators comes to be true, Java returns true, and if it comes to be false, Java returns false value. We do it practically. Now I am in my IDE and I have already created a class named Comparison Example in which I declared two variables x and y with values 10 and 6 respectively. Now I want to use comparison operators between the value x and y. So I will write here system.out.println, and here I want to find whether the result is true in case x is greater than y. That is, if I want to see that if my value of x is greater than y, then result comes to be true. So I will write here using plus sign, and in brackets I will write x is greater than or equal to y, followed by semicolon. And you can see I save it and run this program. Java returns me true value. If here I make change less than or equal to and run this program, Java will definitely return me value false. So you can use any of the operators like equal to, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to compare two values and find answers and make an accurate decisions. Thank you.